everyone, it's Holly and welcome back to our channel. Okay, so you guys know we've talked about Betties in the past. Sawyer and Savannah, they've all done videos on Betties, and I just thought there's such a big sale right now that the easiest way to tell you guys was through a video. And why Betties? Because I love Betties. It's been in our house on my kids' beds for years. And the reason is I love a made bed. I want my kids to make their beds in the morning. I think it just kind of starts the day really well. I love it to be neat and tidy. And you know what, kids? They don't always like to make their bed. So it's been a struggle before Betties. So Betties just makes it so much easier. There's so much less fighting. They get their bed made in like no time at all. And when I look in their rooms, everything is neat and tidy. I love it. Well, okay, there's still stuff on the floor, but at least their bed is neat and tidy. So here's the thing. Betties is having a big end of the year sale. They already have marked down some of their bedding 30% off. And in addition to that, you get to have an additional 20% off. Okay, so before we continue on with the sale, because you only have like less than a week to get on the sale, let me show you Savannah's Betties. Now the Betties has been on her bed, this particular one, for I would say, I don't know, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. I don't know. It's been so long, they don't even make this pattern anymore. We're gonna call it vintage. Now, when she goes to college soon, I'm kind of thinking of upgrading her to the new Victoria one. It's pink, it's so cute. Just because I think that'll be really easy for her dorm room. But for right now, she has this one. Like I said, you can't buy it anymore because it's vintage Betties. But what I love, she has a full-size bed. We have the shams and the additional pillows. But what is so great about Betties is how kids can make their bed so easy. Okay, let me go over here to the other side of her vintage Betties. So it is a bedding system. And what's so great is we have the shams and the pillows to make it extra neat. But when the kid or anybody gets up in the morning and they're like, oh, I was sleeping, and it's all messed up, all they have to do, it is the sheet, and this one has the minky on the inside, and it has a little extra piece so that it, covers them when they sleep. So it's really soft on the inside and really cute on the outside. So let's say she just got up. She doesn't have to be stuffing and fluffing because it's all zipped up. So all she has to do is zip the remaining, whatever she unzipped to sleep, like that. You could zip it as much as you want. I would run over there and zip that part, put your pillows on, and because of the zipper system, look at how nice and neat and quick. All she has to do is zip. There's no tucking, there's no any of that. And so then, let me come back here. When I go to wash it, what I do is I separate this top, I unzip the entire thing and I separate the top piece from the bottom piece because all of Betties goes on like a fitted sheet. It's all one piece unless you unzip it. It's very easy to wash. We wash them all the time. And I just think it makes the room look so nice and neat. Now, if I could get her to take the clothes off the floor, we'd be in kind of a magic land here. But for right now, I'm just happy that the beds are made. And so, like I said, you can get up to 50% it's 50% off of the Betties right now for their end of summer sale. I will put a link in the description below. Use that link, go through, that's our affiliate link. Use that link, you can get the additional 20% off. Try to find one and there's so many on sale, like so many on sale. I'm thinking maybe, I don't know if I'll replace this one yet or not. I love this one, but there were so many other ones to choose from too. So use the link in the description below. You can get up to 50% off the Betties. Like I said, they don't do this all the time, so this is a really good part of the year that you want to grab this sale on Betties. And this, like I said, I really believe in this product because we use it in my kids' rooms, and I don't know, it makes my heart happy when I see a made bed and we don't have to fight about it because it's so easy. Zip, zip, and let's say one day they didn't zip it, it's super easy for me to come in and zip it and then I'm happy. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to kind of talk about Betties one more time. I saw the sale this morning and I was like, oh gosh, I need you guys to know because I know you guys have been waiting for sales and to grab one. So that's it. Whether it's in your guest room, your kids' room, your RV, your bonus room, whatever, your room, check it out. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.